right, today we're going to demonstrate a recorder. Now, a lot of kids programs in schools, music programs, are actually being cut. And today, these days, kids are missing out on a lot of the musical instruments. Now, the recorder here, if you guys can see that, this is a very simple instrument to play and get going. Now, included with the recorder, they give you a little case with it. They give you instructions, a little area, how to control your fingers into the actual system itself, and also reading notes and step-by-step little area where you can learn how to understand and play a musical instrument. So now that kids don't have any instruments in school or don't have a head start in an instrument, this is something you could do at home. They come in two various colors, and it also comes with a wand here that you use to clean after the end of the day. So I like that they include the actual instrument, the cleaning solution, and also the actual dust protector so you can put it away. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Two blind mice.